Now, I know I'm jumping the gun a little bit here, but I'm so excited about the Roadmap exclusive. It's launched. I have access to the course. I don't have my affiliate link yet, so it's not on my stand store, but I do have a sneak peek on my stand store if you want to go and enter your email address there. But before I get to that, I will really want to show you inside Roadmap exclusive as much as I can. There's too much to show you in a short video like this, okay? I'll probably do a review on my YouTube channel at some point. But for now, I just want to give you a little bit of a snippet because it just looks so amazing. It's so professional. These guys are just another level. So here's inside the platform of Roadmap exclusive. And as you can see, it's just looks so, it's just quality, right? As you can see, there's a welcome video there. And each of these modules obviously have got 5 videos inside that one. So there's over an hour's worth of training there for creating your business, marketing your business in the digital age, 6 files there. And it just goes through obviously various modules, okay? And like I've said already, multiple videos inside of each module itself. Um, it's just amazing. I think they've done such a fantastic job. So I mean, it covers everything, every little detail you need to start an online business. Whether you're already in the online space and you're just looking to level up, or whether maybe you have a brick and mortar business yourself and you just want to learn the skills of taking your business online. So it's not just created to teach you how to do digital marketing or affiliate marketing. It's a course in its own right to give you the all the tools and education you need, business development, marketing skills to actually take your brick and mortar business online or just start an online business in digital marketing or affiliate marketing. But it's ultimately giving you everything you need. It's the 101 of courses. So it's the this is going to explode. Okay, so if you've been on the fence for some time and you just don't know what direction to go in, you don't need to look any further. I've been in the industry a while, and I spent a lot of money on different courses, and I've raved about Roadmap 3.0 for a long time. Okay, this is just taking it to a whole new level. So if you've got any questions, guys, drop them in comments or send me a DM. This will be in my stand store very shortly. I'm probably going to get my affiliate link by the end of today, and so then by tomorrow it'll be on my stand store, available for you to take a look at, and then of course it'll be into my funnels as well after that. But right now, I just wanted to give you that sneak peek because it's unbelievable, and I'm just so excited to be part of this journey, and I'm really happy that I am. So, any questions? You know what I am. Take care.